Hey, welcome back, everyone. Tom from Park Avenue Trading, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Eurodollar, did we call it or did we call it? Said that it needed to break up above like 117. What's the price point I had? I think I had 117, like '05 or so. 117.12 I had actually. Let me put that level up because I lost my chart for some reason. So let me get a horizontal ray going right here. 117. Right there, 117.13, I had the level that I had to get up. I said that if it broke down through this low, we were going to be tracking down to this point right there. So what the heck is going on with this? Well, dollar yen sitting at 148.87 right now. Sterling yen 199.43. Euro yen 173. So it's really the dollar yen that's driving this whole market movement right now. Dollar yen is on a tear. Um, I got long sterling yen last night, 199 like 28. Put a stop at 199.08. I sold it at I'm sorry, 198.28. I had a stop at 198.08 or '06. I sold it like at 199, 198.86. And I just rebought it again at 199.08 on a dip when we went to 30 and came back down. I scooped some at 199.08 and I sold off two pieces right around here, 199.42. Stop loss now entry for the last piece. Great trade. Happy about it. I know you're not interested in it, but I posted it all in our live trading group. So hopefully some of the guys and gals grabbed it. Right now, Eurodollar sitting at 116.22. If dollar yen continues to rally, Eurodollar next line of support is sitting really at 115.80, or really the main support's 115.60. Okay, there is some still kind of biddish, like or stabilization in Eurodollar. It hasn't completely fallen out of bed because as we're watching the crosses, and I'm keeping an eye on that sterling yen because I may want to just dump it at like 199.43. But it's actually tracking lower to like 115, say 80 at first. Let me put up a level right here, 115.80, 115. Right there, it's close enough. This level is like the first line of support. We're still right around 116.16. It's still tracking lower because dollar yen is actually still rallying right now. Dollar yen is 148.90. So we're coming down towards this level right here. If you're, a bull and you hadn't sold this yet, you got to watch the price action all along this line. If it breaks that, it's opening up its way to 115.59. Now, if we go really, really longer term, or for this chart anyway, um, what we're looking at is 114. I'm gonna get like 114.74. So that would be a total meltdown and complete reversal from the 118.30 that we had. Now, it was 114.46 on July 19th, June 19th. Where the freak is my brain? June 19th, we were at 114.46. So the major point I'm going to say is in between 114.46. Actually, I had it right there. Okay, let me just go this up right here. 114, say 43 and 114.72. If this breaks, and dollar yen is continuing to rally, it's going to really force a big movement in euro dollar. So that's all conjecture. We're not there yet. We're still hovering around an important support point. So I don't want to just beat that horse. But as it stands right now, we made the low at like 116.15. So price point that it needs to recover over. If you see dollar yen cooling off, don't just go buy the euro dollar. Wait. And I'm going to put up a level right here. I'm going to find a good level to put this up at. Why is this thing still drawing? Because I didn't do that. I got to really learn how to do this. Um, so right here, this high bar's close. I'm going to say, actually, I'm going to go up Yeah, I'm going to go here, short term. Okay, to show any type of strength, the Eurodollar has to recover that level right there. Let me change the color for you so it sticks out. It's got to recover over this. So right now, as it stands, it's tracking in between these 2 points, right? If we can get up over this, we're going to have some resistance up at this top right here and some really serious resistance short term at 117.15. So again, if you haven't gotten short, okay, or if you got short at that level I told you at, your protective stop is right at that 116, say 70 level. You know, you could peel some of your trade off. You could, you know, just sit tight. It's up to you. I mean, I don't know how you trade. Everybody trades differently. All right, so US dollar index is actually up. Let me see if I can get a US dollar index chart. That would be good. Hang on. Here's the US dollar index right now on the 8-hour. Look at the pump. Okay, look off the lows. We were tracking down towards like 195. Dollar yen did all of this. Dollar yen running did all this upward movement. As you know, there's an inverse relationship between the euro dollar and the US dollar index. And right now, let's see where we're at with this. Let me go over here. Let me click this. Let me see where we are. Okay. Um, ooh, 98. We're very close to a pivotal top here at 99.43. Right now, the yen is bid. You know, it's dollar yen is bid, so it's actually putting pressure on the euro dollar. So just be cautious. If you want to take a long, just be cautious. Right now, dollar yen at 148.87, euro sterling yen at 199.40, and euro yen still right around 173. So it's if the euro yen catches a bid while dollar yen is actually falling, you could see the reversal in that euro dollar that we were talking about. I want to go back to the 1-hour chart where I had those points. Hopefully they show up, but no, they don't. Of course they don't. I'll go back to this chart right here. Is that US dollar? That's US dollar yen. What happened here? Where did my chart go? There, right there is my chart that I want to make sure you're well aware of. So we could see a reversal in this and try to attempt up against 116.75. So key support is right here. Okay, next level of defense is 115.80 and 115.56. Complete meltdown in the euro dollar would occur if we broke this level, and we'd be heading to like 114.72, 114.43. Again, we're going really forward with that. It's not happening right now, just got to keep our head on our shoulders and our feet on the ground. So there is still a little bit stability in euro dollar as far as itself, and dollar yen is the one that is leading the show. So if you go watch I'm going to be doing sterling yen and dollar yen, euro yen, and uh, those crosses in the next video. In the link in the description, you'll find a link. You can get yourself a free video and an ebook on breakouts. Really, really cool. Matter of fact, one of the rules on the breakouts is that we're approaching a support point right here. We have a downward close on this bar. Most likely, this will fail. Statistically, it would fail. Of course, the bar is not over yet, so you could start using Fibonacci levels and trying to figure out, you know, where you can get long the euro if you're a euro bull. All right, so I look forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video. And remember, always, always, always enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.